Saxena. Today I am going to take my class in 8th A and the topic of my class is reflection of light. I have gathered certain teaching aids like my strip of mirror and a torch with the help of which I am going to explain reflection of light to my students. But before I go, I would like you all to please visit my lab. This is my lab, the science lab, where different models of science are kept. The teachers, they come and select their models from here as per the requirement of their topic. Have a look. This is based on persistence of vision. This instrument is again related to electrical energy, open circuit and closed circuit. This is based on law of inertia. This is the model which is related to filtration of water at different steps. And here this is the soil profile. Now I would like you to go to my class, taking these models along, these teaching aids along with me and my lesson plan. Let's go to the class. Thank you so much. Phenomenon of reflection. Yes, this is known as, very good. This is known as reflection of light. Okay, so again, if in the dark you are watching it, then you can see the two rays of light which are there. Fine, which is going over there. Okay, so this is reflection of light. Now, every morning we all observe ourselves in the mirror. Is it not? You observe it or not?
Yes.
So when you observe yourself in the mirror, so which phenomenon is taking place? Reflection of light. But before that, what is light? Do you know what is light? Do you know? Is anybody who is knowing what is light? You know what is heat?
Yes.
What is heat?
Heat
Heat is a
energy.
heat is a energy. Sound is a energy. Similar to heat and sound, light is also an energy. What happens when you touch any hot object? What happens? You feel warm. Okay. So heat is the energy which gives you sensation of warm. Fine. Similarly, light is a sensation which gives you, it is energy which gives you what? Sensation of sight. Okay, wherever there is light, you will be observing that object. Okay, so that is reflection of light. Now, in case of reflection of light, what do you need? You needed one reflecting object. Now, this is a kind of object which is reflecting. Why it is reflecting? Can you tell me why it is reflecting?
Because of the light.
Because of the light.
Because of the light. When the light hits the mirror, so it reflects back.
Okay, what makes this a mirror? What makes this a mirror? What makes it a mirror?
Heat.
It's smoke
light source, a smooth surface to reflect the light.
Okay, you need a light source.
Smooth surface.
And shining surface. Right? Shining, smooth surface. Okay. Now, if any of the two is absent, the reflection will not happen. Any of the two are absent, then reflection will not occur. Okay. Again, important thing is the reflecting surface are of two types. One reflecting surface is as smooth as this plane mirror. But what about at its back side? It is not smooth. It is rough. So the kind of reflection that will come through it is irregular reflection. Okay, this will give you smooth reflection and the other side will give you irregular reflection. Now depending upon the surface that we have the type of reflection also. Okay, so what are the two types I just told you? What are the two types of reflection? Very loud. Yes?
And smooth and irregular.
The smooth reflection is known as
Ma'am, irregular and regular.
irregular and regular reflection. Correct. What did we tell is right. Okay, so we have two types of reflections. One reflection is regular and the other reflection is irregular. Okay, now formation of image through a mirror. It takes place because of certain laws, and that laws have to be observed. Every time an image is formed, those laws are being followed. Now what are these laws? Do we know the laws of reflection? You must have done in your class 7. Yes, tell me what are the laws of reflection. If you recall, it's good.
The angle between incident ray and reflected ray is 90 degrees.
Angle of incidence and angle of reflection. They will be same. Fine. Any other law? How many laws are there? Two laws. Yes, good. Two laws are there. What is the other law? What is the other law?
The angle of reflection.
That we told. What is the other law?
Angle of incidence.
Incidence. Okay. So what you are telling, angle of incidence, angle of reflection. First let us know what are the components of reflection, and thereafter we will come to the laws. Okay. So now coming to the components of reflection.
Angle of incidence and angle of reflection have to be on the same point.
Yes, they take place on the same point. Now this is a reflecting surface just like the mirror, and we always symbolize it with a straight line, and this type of diagonal lines are there. So this shows that this is the shiny surface and this is the surface which is going to reflect. Fine. At every point, wherever an incident ray will strike, suppose when I was putting a torch light, it strikes at this place. So this point is known as point of incidence. What it is known as? It is known as point of incidence, and an arrow is there. So this ray becomes which ray? Incident ray. And we will call it A, and this point is O. Wherever it falls, this is point of incidence, and at this point there is a imaginary plane. This imaginary plane is perpendicular to this shiny surface. Perpendicular means how much angle? 90 degree. Very good. It is 90 degree angle. So at this point what will happen? This incident ray is striking, and as you told that angle of reflection has to be same. So it has to be same as angle of incidence. Fine. So this ray will also get directed in the refracted ray and normal. What we will call it?
Angular
reflection.
Good.
This is known as angle R. Okay. So this is the complete diagram for reflection of light. Okay. So we are right. Yes.
But why have you to join the angles of angle of incidence and angle of reflection? Why have to join it? Why
This is the imaginary line. We are not joining. We actually are telling you what is angle of incidence. How will we measure? What we will do, we will keep a protector here. Wherever this ray will be, that angle it forms. That is the angle of incidence. When we have to measure angle of reflection, again we will be protected this side. From this side, wherever this, whatever is the reading, that will be angle of reflection. So you need a protector to measure it. Right? So when you will measure it with the help of protector, you will find, suppose this angle is 30 degree. Okay, angle between normal and incident ray. If this is 30 degree, then what should be the angle of reflection?
30 degree.
It will also be 30 degree. If this happens, if angle of incidence and angle of reflection both are same, then do you think reflection is happening? Yes,
ma'am.
reflection is happening. Okay, now I tell you the laws of what are the two laws. Laws of reflection. So the first law says, unless and until you don't have an incident ray, a reflected ray, or a reflecting surface, reflection will not happen. Is it not? So you have to have all these things. And where will all these things you will find? Where will you find them? Look at the diagram. Where do you find? Where is incident ray? Here. Where is reflected ray? Here. Where is normal? It is all at the point of incidence. They are all at the point of incidence and they are all on the mirror. Okay, so the first law says that the incident ray, the reflected ray and normal all lie on the same plane. All lie on the same plane. Okay, this is the first law. If incident ray is not there, reflected ray is not there, and normal is not there, you cannot define reflection at all. And the second law, which is is glance angle of incidence, and the refracted ray that meets with the mirror is known as
Glance angle of
glance angle of reflection. So sometimes in board exams, what do they do? Like in 10th also you will study reflection. So there they do not give angle of reflection and angle of incidence. What do they give? They give glance angle of incidence or glance angle of reflection. And then they ask all the other angles. Okay, so this is how you will have to do. You already know two types of reflection are there. What are the two types?
angles of reflection.
Two types of reflection.
Angle of
Regular reflection and irregular reflection. I'll just show you the diagram of the two. By the time you observe this.
Laws of reflection. Why do mirrors have a silver coating on one side of the glass? It is because highly polished metal surfaces reflect light when it is incident on them. In this animation, we will learn about the reflection of light on a plane mirror, what governs the reflection of light, and how images are formed in a plane mirror. Let's assume XY to be a plane mirror coated with silver coating on the underside. Let a ray of light AO be incident on XY. The light is reflected along OB. Let's now draw a normal ON at the point of incidence. The angle AON formed by the incident ray and the normal is called the angle of incidence or I. The angle BON formed by the reflected ray and the normal is called the angle of reflection or R. Observations from experiments have shown that the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal drawn to the reflecting surface at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Also, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. These observations are called the laws of reflection.